W police activity. What it do, YouTube? Welcome to Hip Hop World. It's your boy Papa Benji. We're back with another visual today. Y'all know these visuals get very critical. Without further ado, God bless you all, the most positivity and prosperity in your aura, man. Grab some Zasapak, whatever you need to relax, and let's get it going, family. Huh? Hey, yo! What the fuck was that? Bruh! Did he just throw fireworks at they shit? Oh! Oh shit!
Hold on, Rock.
Officer, let that bitch go. Did this motherfucker just pull up to a cop car and attack the cop? Hit that bitch with some crazy shit. Oh shit! Hey yo! Damn, they let Buddy up. God rest his soul, bro. God rest his soul. Ain't no motherfucking way. Ain't no motherfucking way. Oh shit! I ain't gonna lie, Brody asked for that shit. I'm not gonna lie. Why would you pull up to a police car and fire dragon breath rounds, bruh? Like, what are we doing here, bro? This shit be crazy.